Welcome to the Legals Educare Law classes. In today's class, we will discuss the intricacies of criminal court's competency to punish as provided in sections 22 and section 23 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. Let's begin with section 22. Subsection 1 provides that the High Court may pass any sentence authorized by law. It provides the High Court expansive authority to pronounce any sentence sanctioned by law. So it includes the imposition of death sentence, life imprisonment, etc. So there is no inherent limitations on the High Court's power to pass any sentence. Now, moving on to subsection 2. Subsection 2 talks about the session judge or additional session judge's power to punish. It provides that a session judge or additional session judge may pass any sentence authorized by law, like the High Court, including the death sentence or life imprisonment. However, there is a condition that says that whenever a session judge or additional session judge passes a death sentence, then it shall be confirmed by the High Court under section 409 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. It means a death sentence passed by a session judge or additional session judge cannot be executed until unless it is confirmed by the High Court under section 409 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. So this was section 22. Now moving on to section 23. In section 23, we will explore the powers vested in Chief Judicial Magistrate first class and Judicial Magistrate second class. Under subsection 1, Chief Judicial Magistrate may pass a sentence up to maximum 7 years of imprisonment. He may pass maximum 7 years of imprisonment. Subsection 2 talks about the Judicial Magistrate first class competency. It says that a Judicial Magistrate first class can give a maximum imprisonment of 3 years and he may impose a fine up to 50,000 rupees or both or community service. Subsection 3 says that a Judicial Magistrate second class can give a maximum imprisonment of 1 year and may impose fine up to 10,000 rupees or both or community service. So community service, which is added up as a punishment in the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, is explained in the explanation to section 23. According to the explanation, community service means the work which is ordered by the court to the convict to perform as a punishment that benefits the community without remuneration. So community service is an unpaid work assigned by the court to a convict as a form of punishment which is aimed at benefiting the community. So understanding the competency of criminal courts to punish helps us better understand their powers and how they function. So this was all about the criminal court's power to punish. Thank you for joining me in this insightful discussion. Thank you.